Hello, my name is Christel Gómez Velázquez from Group 2, and I'm going to show the application I made and how I did it. I did this on App Inventor, and when you first get in on the app, it appears a screen with the name of the app, that is numbers, a symbol of loading, and after 5 seconds it will take you to the screen where is the menu. Now, in this menu, there are 5 buttons, 3 with a language and other 2, 1 with info and 1 with more. If you click on a button with a language, for example, in English, it will take you to another screen. In this screen, there are 10 numbers, the buttons with numbers, from 0 to 9. There are 3 upper buttons, 2 upper buttons, one that says Spanish, another French, and 2 3 buttons in the bottom of the screen, one that says original color and another with a sample of the menu. Now, if you click on a button with a number, it will change the background color of the screen, it will pronunciate the number, it will appear a sound, and the phone will vibrate for 300 milliseconds. For example, if you click on number 1, the color of the screen changes and it sounds the right pronunciation of the number. For example, if you click on number 8 or number 7, number 0, and to prove that they are completely random, if you click again on the same button, it will change to another color of the screen. 0. Now, there's a button that says original color. When you click it, it will reset the color of the screen to white. If we click on the button that says Spanish, it will take us to a very similar screen with the same format and the same functions. If you click on a number, it will change the background color, it will vibrate the cell phone, it will say the right pronunciation, and there will be a sound. For example, if you click on number 4, it will tell you in Spanish, obviously. If you click number 8, number 3, if you click again on number 3, it changes the color again, and you can click on the button that says original color to reset it. If you click on the French button, it will take us to another screen with the same format, the same functions, but with different sounds and different pronunciations because it is not a language. For example, number 7, number 3, number 9, and you can click again on the original color. Now, the button with this menu symbol takes us to the screen where is the menu. It is completely the same if you click on the buttons in here that says Spanish and French, that if you click on the ones that you clicked when you were on the English screen. For example, it takes us to the same screen. Now we're going to the menu, and there are 2 other buttons. The one that says more takes us to another screen where are fun facts. For example, it says that 2 and 5 are the only prime numbers that end with a 2 or a 5, and there are other 3 fun facts. Now we're going to the menu, and there's another button that says info. If you click on that one, it will take us to another screen that says that this application was created by Christel Gómez from Group 2, and there's an image of the rose. Now let's go to the menu. Now, this is my app, but the creation of this, I made it on App Inventor, that is a page, like here. For the screen number 1, this is the designing part. There's 2 images, a label, and 2 clocks. One for the screen and another for the animation. Now, for the blocks part, there are these functions that indicate that when the screen initializes, the timers will turn on, and it also says that after 5 seconds it will take us to another screen, and the rotation angle of the image. Now, the main menu is on screen number 6. Now let's go to the designing part. This is the designing of the main menu screen. Now I put this different arrangement so it could look good. I put 5 different buttons and an image. Now in the blocks part, I put this. This indicates that when you click on each button, it will take you to a different screen. That's the function. Now, for the first screen, the one that says English, screen number 2, is this one. I put like 11 buttons, yes, 2 sound sensors, and I put images on the buttons, and I changed the color. I put this special arrangement so it could look nice. Now, in the blocks part, there's this. The first 4 buttons indicate that when you first get in the app, you will, in the screen, it will appear that, and if you click on the button that says original color, it will change the background color to white. And the other one says that when you click on French, Spanish, and menu button, it will take us to another screen. Now, for the number buttons, these blocks indicate that when you click on the number, for example, number 1, it changes the background color to a random integer from 0 to 255. Also says that how much time the cell phone will vibrate. In this case, it's 300 milliseconds. And there's another 2 sounds that one of them is from the pronunciation, and another one is from the sound. And the other ones indicate to play that sounds. Those sounds. They're the same blocks for each button with a number. It's exactly the same. Now I'll go to screen number 3. That is the one that says Spanish. It's the same layout. There are the same arrangements in the same forms, and it's exactly the same, just with different images. For the blocks part of this screen, there are practically the same blocks. There are the blocks that indicate that when you click on a button, it will take you to another screen. The one that indicates that when you click on the original color, it will set the background color to white. And the number blocks that indicate that will change the background color randomly here. The vibration, that is 300 milliseconds, and the sounds. Now, on screen number 4, this screen is the French screen. It's the same layout with the same format but different images. Now, on the blocks part, it's again exactly the same. There are the blocks that indicate that when you click on a button, it will take you to another screen. There's the one that when you click on the original color, it will reset the background color to white. And there are the number button blocks that indicate the vibration, the color of the screen, and the sounds. Now, on screen number 5, now, this screen is the one with the fun facts. Here I put a label, arrangements, and a button. I put different colors. And on the blocks part, there's only one block that indicates that when you click on a button, it will take you to screen number 6, that is the menu screen. And finally, screen number 7. This screen is the info screen. There's an image, 3 labels, and a button. I put this image because I think it looks nice. In the blocks part, there is also only one block that indicates that when you click on the button, it will take you to screen number 6. And that's everything from my app. I hope you understand, and thank you very much.